Okay. Yeah. What my message to the public is that in street we have talented people, and we have those who are also they have knowledge, but what they are lacking is something called opportunity. Opportunity is an English word that simply means a chance. So they are lacking that chance, and if they are given that chance, I'm sure 100%, 99.9% sure, because they will just, you cannot be 100% sure because you have those who are somehow, they have a certain knowledge. We have those who have a low mode of understanding and a high mode of understanding. But to cut the long story short, what these people need is opportunity. Okay, government, the government, the Kenyan government, I don't know what's happening nowadays because we just hear in the news that you are helping street children. By the way, for instance, when Obama was coming in Kenya, we have this we call National Youth Service. They started clearing us. I thought when they were clearing us, they were taking us to a better place where we go and sleep, go to school, and so on and so forth. But they were just clearing us.
Where were they taking you?
They were taking us to a certain police station. We called them Moloto. Others were being killed. You see, it was a type of clearing. You just clear, so that just clear the streets, so that even when the VIPs come, they don't judge you. They just see it's an industrialized country. So my message to the government is, let us give these people opportunity. Only that, no more, no less. Yeah, to the president of the county, that is the governor. Nairobi County, it's the leading city in Kenya with a lot of so-called chokoras. So these street families, let us give them opportunity. My message was my keyword was opportunity. Yeah.
Thank you.